this video, I'll be showing you how to change your passenger side motor mount on a Nissan Sentra. It is located on the engine. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood and find our way to our engine cover. We're going to grab it on both sides and give it a nice tuck up. Moving those tabs. Let's head to the side. Before anything else, we want to get a jack with a piece of wood to support the engine. This is so the engine does not fall down when we remove the mount. Just until it's touching. Now we're going to move back up to the engine bay. We're going to go back to the motor mount and locate this ground. We're going to move it with a 10mm socket. Set the bolt aside. Inspect the ground, make sure there's no excess corrosion. Now we're going to move on to the engine side of the motor mount. We have 5 bolts here. We're going to remove them with a 16mm. Quick note, you're going to want to remember the orientation these go in. Again, one bolt is longer, you will want to note that. Now we're going to move to the chassis side of the motor mount. You can see we have 3 more 16mm. I'm going to add a long extension and remove those as well. Put those aside. Now we could raise the motor mount out. Be careful not to cause damage to the refrigerant lines. Now we have our new mount. We're going to lower it down to the mounting location. Again, be careful of the refrigerant lines. We're going to snug tight these bolts that go into the chassis. Now that we have these 3 bolts hand feathered in, we're going to go to our jack and align these bolts on the motor side. Now they're lined up, we're going to feather them in. Remember, the longer one goes here. Now I'm going to snug them all down. Now I'm going to torque my bolts on the motor side to 33 foot-pounds. Now I'm going to torque the bolts that connect to the body to 48 foot-pounds with the same 16 millimeter. Now I'm going to secure my ground strap. Now we're going to reinstall our engine cover. Locate the two tabs. And push down. Make sure it's secure. Now we're going to make our way back to under the vehicle and slowly release our jack from our engine. And that wraps up our install. You're going to want to go ahead, take the vehicle for a road test, ensure there's no harsh vibrations. Thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.